Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make Bagara rice. You can call it Bagara rice or you can call it Juri Bagaro, like whatever you call it. This is a dish that you have been requested, and here is the recipe. All the ingredient is right in front of you. So what we are using in this dish, simple and easy: some chopped onion, some chopped coriander, like a lot of it, some green chilies. We need some whole spices, which is some cumin or caraway seeds. You can use either one. Some cloves, mustard seeds, a little bit, just a little piece of cinnamon stick, just one black cardamom, some green cardamom, one star-anise, and then we need some raw cashew nut and raw peanuts. And then my basmati rice is right here soaking in water for like 45 minutes. We also need some oil. You can add ghee and oil. I'm just gonna add oil alone. And then we need some ginger and garlic paste. If you don't want to eat garlic in this dish, just avoid it. Just do not add garlic and ginger paste, or just add a little bit of ginger paste, or add both if you prefer. And we also need some curry leaf. Mine is frozen, so I'm gonna just remove it as I am ready. So let's go to the stove. We can get started. Just about 4 tablespoons of oil heating over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add my curry leaf that was frozen and all of these spices. Now just be careful, you don't want this cardamom to pop up. Just like stay away from it and keep the heat over medium low right now. Add the raw peanut and cashew nut. Now I'm gonna add this onion, and now the heat is over medium high. I'm gonna cook this onion for like 3 minutes. Next I'm gonna add green chilies and chopped coriander. Give it a mix. It's been just a minute, and you guys can see the green chilies are whole. I didn't cut them, slit them, because I don't want the whole rice to be spicy. Anybody who likes spicy can take the chili alone. So I think this is a fair way to add chilies if not everybody eats spicy. And this is one of the like most easy and yummy recipe for rice that you can make in less than an hour. Perfect for weeknight. And the rice, I have already drained all the water. I'm gonna add some salt, add some water, and gently I'm gonna stir. I don't want the rice to break. Now if you guys can add tomato in this dish as well if you want to add tomato, but I didn't. So now I'm gonna cover the lid and let it cook over medium-high heat for about 30 to... It can take about 25 to 35 minutes. I'm using just a regular skillet, but you can do this obviously in the rice cooker as well. My riz Bagaro or Bagara rice is ready. It was like done in just 25 minutes, and then I turn my heat off, let the skillet sit on the heat as is in the dum for 10 minutes. And now I am going to open the lid. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. And I just want you to come close so I can show you how the rice is looking. So just take a fork and then just fluff the rice. Yum yum. Smell is so good. I have tried a new rice today and I don't think I like it because it's not that long enough. So I will definitely I'm not gonna use this rice. I'm not gonna use this rice again for like, you know, a specific dish just like that, because And also adding water, I have used 3 cups of basmati rice and 4 cups of water. So you can see the rice is soft and it's like the perfect amount of water, but some of the rice would probably ask you for 5 cups of water, maybe less than that. So just pay attention on the quality of rice that you have. So let me just put some rice on this plate so I can, you know, try a little bit, since I have been waiting for 25 minutes. It is hot, as you can see, the smoke. I'm just gonna get just a little bit. So good. I'm gonna go serve this with motion dishes today, but you can serve this with any kind of dish, any grilled chicken, any chicken curry, like whatever you like you're the boss in your kitchen. Recipe is down below in the description box waiting for you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what else do you want to see on my channel. I will be more than happy to make it for you, and I will see you next time. Bye.